Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Ackee. 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 Ackee is a tropical fruit native to West Africa and widely grown in the Caribbean. It is characterized by its bright red or yellow exterior and creamy, pale flesh when ripe. Ackee is often used in Caribbean cuisine and has a unique taste, reminiscent of scrambled eggs. Here are some examples. Example number 1, Ackee and Saltfish is a popular Jamaican dish, combining the creamy ackee fruit with salted cod. Why ackee is used in example number 1. Ackee is used to describe a well-known Caribbean dish. Example number 2, Grandma's ackee and saltfish recipe has been passed down through generations. Why ackee is used in example number 2. Ackee is mentioned in the context of a traditional family recipe. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.